What's the meaning of belly laugh? Belly laugh. Belly laugh.
Belly laugh. Belly laugh. A belly laugh is a loud, unrestrained, and often contagious laugh that originates deep in the belly or diaphragm. The term is often used to describe the kind of laughter that is so intense that it causes one's stomach muscles to contract and shake. This type of laugh is typically associated with something that is amusing or hilarious and can be triggered by a variety of stimuli, such as jokes, funny stories, humorous antics, or situations that are unexpectedly humorous. A good belly laugh can provide not only a physical release, but also a sense of emotional relief, as laughter has been shown to have positive effects on mental health and well-being.